Good morning children, and this is your GK class, and today we are going to study famous faces, which is chapter 14. Here we will see the most popular faces of our Indians. Now first is Dhirubhai Ambani. And who is Dhirubhai Ambani? My dear, he is the founder of Reliance Industry, petrochemical, communication, power, and he took birth in Gujarat. He was born on 28 December 1932. First I am showing you his nice picture. See here. He was working he was earlier working on a petrol pump as a nozzle man, means the person who gives the diesel or petrol. But later, due to his hard work, he became the owner of that petroleum company only. Okay? And he is an Indian business tycoon. Now second comes Ratan Naval Tata, whose birth date is 28 December 1937. He is also an Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and a former chairman of Tata Sons. And he is the recipient of two of the highest civilian awards, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan. And during Corona period, you would have heard, my dear, that he has donated many things, not only money. He has donated his hotels and many hospitals for the treatment of the people. I am showing you the picture of Ratan Tata. This is the picture of Ratan Tata. Next is Virat Kohli, and he is an Indian cricketer. I think all of you know. He was also born in Delhi on 5th November 1988. And he is the first player in ICC cricket history to win all the three ICC awards. That is ICC One Day, ICC Test, and ICC Player of the Year award. In 2018, in 1 year, all the three awards, which is well known for the cricketers, he won. And he is married to an actress. Her name is Anushka Sharma, and right now he is having a daughter also. Now next, fourth picture in the book is of Narendra Modi. And all of you know very nicely that he is our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. With his leadership qualities, he has taken India to a new level, isn't it? Now see from where he comes. His birthday is 17 September 1950. He was born in Gujarati Hindu family of grocers in Vadnagar, Mehsana district. And as a child, Modi is said to have helped his father in selling tea at the Vadnagar railway station. But right now, he is our Prime Minister. And this is the beauty of India. A nozzle man became an industrialist, business tycoon, founder of Reliance Company. A tea seller became our Prime Minister and led our country to a new level. So this is the beauty of India and its democracy. Next is teacher and businessman, primarily known for his popularizing yoga and Ayurveda in India. And what does yoga and Ayurveda does, my dear? Yoga and Ayurveda both are doing the same thing. They improves our immunity system, means system which helps us to fight from disease. Okay? and his yoga classes are running on various TV channel also. And he is the co-founder of Patanjali Ayurved Limited. That is a company, you can tell he is a businessman also, because many products of Patanjali is in the market. You can take it, many types of medicines, so means almost everything is available of the Patanjali company. And only the motto of Ramdev, what he is telling is to, if you are an Indian, buy an Indian, to remove all the foreign companies from India. And that is good also. Whenever I will request you all also to purchase the thing whichever is made in India. Next comes the famous personality of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first vice president and second president of Free India. All of you know that first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad from Bihar, and second president was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And due to his excellent qualities, the government of India has awarded him most potent civilian award, and that is Bharat Ratna. On 5th September 2020. And you know his birthday is 5th September 2020, and we celebrate Teachers' Day on his birthday because he was a very good teacher. He devoted his whole life in teaching. Now comes the Kapil Sharma, comedian. All of you know he is a comedian. His program is coming on the TV channel also, Comedy Nights with Kapil, and this is the picture of Kapil Sharma. And I think all of you know about this because there is very famous TV star. Next come independent researcher and writer A.R. Rahman, in full Allah Rakha Rahman. A.R. Rahman, full form of A.R. Rahman is A for Allah, R for Rakha and Rahman. His original name was A.S. Dilip Kumar. He is a composer, music composer, singer, and he works for the film and stage. I am showing you the picture of A.R. Rahman. Description of Sachin Tendulkar. In full, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, and he is an Indian professional cricketer player, and he have made many sets, many examples, many records in the field of cricket, and he is the first cricketer to score 100 centuries in international player. I am showing you the picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Next is Azim Premji. He is also an industrialist, an Indian business entrepreneur who served as chairman of Wipro Limited. Now I am showing you the picture of Azim Premji. See here. Next we will go to Mukesh Ambani, and he is the son of Dhirubhai Ambani. And he got the setup business, but right now he is the owner of Reliance Industries, the foremost company of the Indian energy. And this is the picture of Mukesh Ambani. Now see Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was our 10th Prime Minister, my dear, of India, and he remained on the post of Prime Minister for 6 years, from 1998 to 2004, means before your birth. He was also serving as Prime Minister from May 1996 to June 1996, means May and June, 2 months. He founded the Bharatiya Janata Party means Bharatiya Janata Party, Bhajpa, which is right now into existence. He was the founder of that party, and he was a good poet also. Not only a politician, he was a lawyer, he was a poet, he was a very intellectual person, my dear, and he has written many Hindi poems. Now here are some questions related to these great personalities. Okay, which Indian is a famous international yoga guru? And all of you know Baba Ramdev, because on the many TV channels his program is also coming, and we people follow him also because of yoga, Ayurveda. Who is the director of Reliance Industries? And Mukesh Ambani is the director of Reliance Industries. You will write the complete answer. Okay. Now, who is well-known Indian stand-up comedian? And it is Kapil Sharma. And show of Kapil Sharma is also coming on channel. Who is the former chairman of Tata Sons? And the answer is Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is the former chairman of Tata Sons. Now next question. Wait. Who was the second president of India? And that is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president and second president of India. And he was a great teacher and philosopher also. Who was the founder of Reliance Industries? And Dhirubhai Ambani, father of Mukesh Ambani. Who is the Prime Minister of India? And all of us know that Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Next is, who is the President of India? And Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Now you will do your homework in very good handwriting, dark handwriting. Thank you, dear, for watching this video.